Hello everyone, just want to have a very quick look at the temperatures at the moment. We've got some really warm air coming up across England and Wales, or certainly warm compared to what we've had recently. Temperatures at the moment across many eastern and central parts of England, south east England, up to 16 degrees at Bedford there, up to 14 degrees at Stansted, 14 degrees at Gravesend, 14 degrees at Southend-on-Sea, Marham up to 15 degrees. So 16 degrees there at Conisbee Royal Air Force Base, and so it goes on. Temperatures well into the mid-teens already across many central eastern parts of the country. We're going to find those temperatures just rising up through the course of the rest of today. Really, in the east, temperatures will be approaching 20 degrees across eastern and southeastern parts of the country through the course of this afternoon. Have a band of cloud rain coming down in towards northern England, Wales and the Midlands, so temperatures will probably peak there around the early part of the afternoon, and tending to drop off a little bit later on in the afternoon as the skies cloud. It is really quite windy as well. That's the unusual thing about today. It is windy across many parts of the country, so to get these sort of temperatures with these strong winds is quite unusual really for this time of the year, but nevertheless it's a warm wind, and it really does feel a lot warmer out there than we've been used to in recent days. Just want to have a very quick look at this morning's GFS run for the final week of April. You'll remember in the videos over the last few days I have been talking about the chance of colder weather returning for the last week of April. And I've been using the NAFs, which are really the GFS ensemble means, the ensemble means of the GFS model. And I've been saying that that anomaly that we've been seeing on the NAFs has been suggesting that as we've go through to the final week of April, that we've got the chance of some much colder weather returning. Well, this morning's operational run of the GFS model, and the operational run is running a higher resolution to all the other members of the GFS ensembles. This morning's operational GFS run is starting to pick up now on that colder weather for the end of the month. So if you have a look at the charts from Monday the 22nd, we've got this northwesterly coming down across the country. It's not particularly cold, but it is cooler than it will be through much of next week. But as we go through this final period of the month, we do find blocking beginning to develop around Greenland again. High pressure ridging in the Atlantic starting to pull down much colder air from the Arctic once again. Notice winds beginning to go, the isobars beginning to go back up towards Iceland as we go through to Thursday the 25th of April. This is 276 hours away, it's a long way out, but the trend has been there on the NAFs, and now we're starting to see the operational GFS beginning to pick up on it as well. Look at all this blocking returning to Greenland, to the north of Greenland as we go through to Friday the 26th. Again, we've got the ridge of high pressure in the Atlantic going up to Greenland. The trough of low pressure is over Scandinavia, sitting in the North Sea. We're pulling down this cold northerly wind across all parts of the country. So at the very least, frost will be coming back, and for Scotland and Northern Ireland I would expect snow showers to be returning as well as we go through to Sunday the 28th, and then to the last day of the month, Tuesday the 30th of April. We maintain that cold flow of air across the country. We've got the trough of low pressure there sitting over the top of the country. The ridges in the Atlantic blocking still continues across the north, and yes, this is very much colder than it will be in the coming week. We're back to cold sort of winds again. And there will at least be frost returning to many parts of the country, probably snow coming back to the north of the country as well, if that is correct. So I've been keeping an eye on this last week of the month. I've been seeing a trend there within the NAFs turning much more blocked again and colder as we go through that last week. Now the operational GFS is beginning to pick up on it as well. It's a long way out, so don't take it too certain, but I think that final week of the month could well see one last sting in the tail really of the coming winter. As ever, I'll be keeping you updated. That's it for now. Enjoy the warmth and the sunshine today. Get out and enjoy it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.